One of my most important pieces of work this year has been related to the Breathe London Air Quality Monitoring Project. I had the pleasure of joining the Environmental Defence Fund earlier this year, working with them on this groundbreaking project to help understand the extent of air pollution in London. And what we were able to do with that network of 100 state-of-the-art sensors was to understand what happened in the city during the coronavirus restriction period. And we actually saw a 40% reduction in one of the most toxic gases that we're having to deal with, nitrogen dioxide. And that's really given us all a sense of perspective in terms of what we can achieve going forward, in terms of if we can get less people using dirty vehicles in the city, we can truly achieve much better air quality. One of the most exciting things I think we've seen in the air quality space this year has been the way that Londoners have embraced cycling like never before. And actually that's been in response to new policies like low traffic neighbourhoods, more and more segregated cycling infrastructure, making it safer for parents and children to get around. Because it's not just the usual suspects, it's not just the middle-aged men in Lycra, it's actually a much more diverse set of our community embracing two wheels. We've seen a 20% increase in cycling, even though journeys have been down overall because of the coronavirus restrictions. And on some cycling routes, that's gone up to 200%. So we really need to see a legacy coming out of this, whereas actually we're also seeing businesses adapt to cycling as well, using electric cargo bikes as well to get out of dirty diesel vans. I think the most important thing this winter everyone keeps saying to themselves is there's no such thing as bad cycling weather, it's just bad clothing. One of the things I'm most excited about next year is the expansion of London's ultra-low emission zone, which started in the centre of the city in April 2019. It's halved nitrogen dioxide concentrations, it's led to less carbon, more electric vehicles, more cycling, more walking. It's going to save the National Health Service about £5 billion in the coming years, or 1 million less hospital admissions. But the most exciting thing is it's coming here. It's coming to residential areas. It's going to embrace millions of Londoners next autumn. And importantly, it's going to help us meet these air quality limits, legal air quality limits that were meant to be met in 2010 and put us on a real pathway to achieving World Health Organization guidelines.